Hello, my name is Camilla Larocca and I'm a speaker at TÜV AUSTRIA Technology Days 2024. As an electrical engineer specializing in signal processing and information technology, I have always been interested in the potential applications of those fields in the SHM, as they offer vast landscapes for exploration and innovation. This area combines my interest in technology and engineering with a critical need for safety, allowing me to apply signal processing techniques to solve complex problems related to the maintenance and critical infrastructure. Moreover, the interdisciplinarity nature of SHM means that I'm continuously learning and integrating knowledges from various domains, keeping my research dynamic and fulfilling. And that's why I challenge myself to dive in the world of acoustic emission, aiming to contribute to its advancements. My name is Camila and I'm living the future at the University of Bologna and TÜV AUSTRIA Group.